Which tablet will actually replace your laptop, and which one will just look pretty on your coffee table? Today, we're going deep on the iPad Pro M5 and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. I'll break down design, display, real-world power, software smarts, cameras, battery life, and who should buy which one. Stick around because near the end I'll tell you the exact workflows where one clearly wins and the surprising trade-offs Apple and Samsung don't want you to ignore. On one hand, the iPad Pro M5 keeps Apple's signature minimal style, ultra-thin, flat-edged, clean bezels, and an aluminum frame that feels premium. Despite being large, it's surprisingly comfortable to hold. The 13-inch version is only about 5.1 millimeters thin, which is wild. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra makes a statement. A huge 14.6-inch glass front, armor aluminum body, and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, something Apple still doesn't offer on its iPads. If you want understated elegance and portability, the iPad is your friend. But if you want bold design, durability, and a massive workspace, the Tab S11 Ultra wins here. The iPad Pro M5 brings in an Ultra Retina XDR OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, full P3 color gamut, and very accurate color calibration, perfect for design work, photo editing, or anyone who cares about color fidelity. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra counters with a 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X, also 120Hz, but pushing up to 1,600 nits of peak brightness. It's more immersive, more cinematic, and ideal for media consumption or sketching on a giant canvas. So, for creative precision, iPad. For sheer size and visual impact, Samsung. Under the hood, the iPad Pro M5 is a beast. Its new M5 chip delivers a 10-core CPU, a next-gen GPU, and neural accelerators. Apple claims up to 3.5 times faster AI workloads versus M4. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can do pro-level video editing or even run generative AI models locally. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is no slouch either. It uses the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, built on a 3nm process. 3 nanometers, which is efficient yet powerful. It also supports up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and has a micro SD slot, which Apple doesn't. In short, iPad might lead in raw creative power, but Samsung gives you flexibility and expandability. On software, iPadOS 26 continues to lean into pro workflows. Stage Manager, external 4K at 120Hz display support, and Apple Pencil Pro make it feel like a Mac in tablet form. Apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro are exclusive to the iPad Pro line, so if that's your workflow, it's a huge win. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, running One UI 8 on Android 16, is all about customization and productivity. Galaxy AI features like live translation, Note Assist, and generative photo editing are baked in. DeX mode has been upgraded, giving a desktop-like interface when you hook it to an external monitor. Add the improved S Pen sensitivity, and it's very usable as a hybrid laptop. On the camera front, the Tab S11 Ultra has a 13-megapixel main plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide rear setup and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. Very versatile for video calls, content creation, and group shots. The iPad Pro M5 has a cleaner, simpler camera setup, tuned more for pro calls and clean recordings than wide-angle flexibility. Battery life is strong on both. The iPad Pro M5 lasts about 10 hours and charges to 50% in 30 minutes with fast USB-C. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra goes a bit longer, around 11 to 12 hours, with its larger 11,600 mAh battery and faster 45-watt charging. Price-wise, the iPad Pro M5 starts at $999 for the 11-inch, while the Tab S11 Ultra begins around $1,199 for 256 gigabytes. So the iPad is cheaper, but you trade off screen size. Your final cost really depends on which storage and features you choose. So, what's the real take-home? If you're a creative pro, video editor, designer, or someone who lives in Apple's world, iPad Pro M5 is a powerhouse. Accurate display, pro apps, and top-tier performance. But if your priorities are a huge screen, multitasking, creative freedom, and a built-in S Pen, then Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra offers more flexibility and value for that extra size and power. If you like this breakdown, drop a comment. What will you use your tablet for? Sketching, work, study, or binge watching? And hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video.